India has done it. It has become the fourth country to land a spacecraft on the moon after the US, China, and the former Soviet Union.
This is a potential game changer. NASA has taken notice.
Do you realize that ice on the moon is worth 5 times the value of gold, pound for pound? This could revolutionize space exploration, enabling humanity to live off the land using the moon's ice. But what could India's Chandrayaan-3 lunar mission have uncovered that even left Michio Kaku, one of the most optimistic voices in theoretical physics, visibly unsettled? A spacecraft, a journey to the moon, and a discovery so shocking that it sent ripples through the scientific community.
What did they find, and why does it challenge everything we thought we knew?
Launched by the Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, Chandrayaan-3 represents a major milestone in space exploration, cementing India's place among global leaders in this field. The mission succeeded where Chandrayaan-2 faltered in 2019, achieving a historic soft landing on the moon's south pole, an area largely unexplored by other nations. This region is crucial for understanding the moon's resources and its potential to support human colonization. Initially, the results of Chandrayaan-3 thrilled scientists. The Vikram lander and Pragyan rover confirmed the presence of frozen water, an invaluable resource for sustaining future lunar missions and potentially even human colonies. Alongside water, they detected minerals like magnesium and silicon, essential for constructing lunar infrastructure.
However, what began as a triumphant mission soon took a mysterious and unsettling turn.
The first signs of something extraordinary emerged as the Pragyan rover, equipped with cutting-edge spectrometers, began analyzing the lunar regolith, the fine, dusty layer covering the moon's surface.
At first, the terrain appeared barren and lifeless, as expected.
But then, the rover detected trace amounts of material unlike anything previously catalogued, not just on the moon, but anywhere in our solar system.
This mysterious substance exhibited properties that defied conventional physics.
It seemed to absorb electromagnetic radiation in a way no known material could, acting almost like a sponge for energy. Michio Kaku described the finding as both groundbreaking and deeply unsettling. If the material is natural, it challenges our fundamental understanding of physics. If it isn't natural, it raises a far more disconcerting question: who or what created it, and why is it there? The intrigue deepened with another startling discovery: anomalous heat signatures emanating from beneath the lunar south pole. These emissions fluctuated in ways that suggested responsiveness to external stimuli. Initial theories posited subsurface magma as the source, but the moon has been geologically inactive for billions of years. This left scientists scrambling for alternative explanations, with some speculating about the possibility of alien artifacts or structures beneath the surface.
Conspiracy theories regarding extraterrestrial activity on the moon are not new.
For decades, rumors have swirled about the South Pole being a potential site for alien bases or observation posts. While such ideas have long been dismissed as fanciful speculation, Kaku has now admitted that these findings compel us to re-evaluate what we thought we knew about the moon, and perhaps, about our place in the universe. The most shocking revelation came weeks later when ISRO released preliminary data from a groundbreaking experiment conducted by the Pragyan rover using ground-penetrating radar. The rover discovered a massive cavernous void beneath the surface of the South Pole. What was even more astounding were the geometric structures detected within the void, patterns and shapes that could not have been formed by natural geological processes. These findings, still under investigation, have profound implications. If verified, they could rewrite our understanding of the moon's history and its role in the broader cosmic narrative. Kaku's apprehension reflects the scientific community's growing unease.
Have we stumbled upon evidence of an ancient non-human intelligence, or is there a natural explanation we have yet to uncover? Whatever the truth may be, Chandrayaan-3's discoveries have left humanity on the brink of a new era of cosmic exploration, and a deeper confrontation with the unknown.
Kaku reportedly panicked when he was shown the preliminary diagrams of these formations. According to the data, the structures appeared to be metallic and arranged in a grid-like pattern, resembling the framework of a constructed facility. This wasn't some haphazard scattering of rocks, it was organized, deliberate, and seemingly ancient.
But here's where things get even stranger. The dimensions of the void suggested that it was large enough to house a small city. This revelation has triggered a flurry of speculation.
Could these be the remnants of an advanced extraterrestrial civilization, or are we looking at something even more unsettling, an artifact of human origin, perhaps from a forgotten chapter of Earth's history?
These theories are not as far-fetched as they might seem.
In recent years, scientists have begun to entertain the possibility that intelligent life might have existed on Earth millions of years ago, only to be wiped out by cataclysmic events. Could some of these ancient humans or their artifacts have made it to the moon?
Meanwhile, other scientists are focusing on the potential dangers of the discovery. If the structures are indeed extraterrestrial, there's the risk that disturbing them could provoke an unintended response.
What if the heat signatures detected earlier are part of a still active system, one designed to react to intrusions? Kaku, known for his cautious optimism about humanity's ventures into space, has now warned that we need to proceed with extreme care. He's called for an international coalition of scientists and policymakers to examine the findings before any further missions are sent to the South Pole. Adding another layer of complexity is the strange behavior of the Chandrayaan-3 rover itself. Following the initial scans of the underground void, Pragyan experienced what ISRO described as unexplained technical malfunctions. The rover's instruments started sending back garbled data, and its movements became erratic.
While ISRO attributed these issues to mechanical failure, others aren't so sure.
Could the malfunctions have been triggered by an interaction with the anomalous material or the underground structures? Kaku has emphasized the importance of transparency in addressing these questions.
While much of this is baseless conjecture, it reflects a growing public awareness that something extraordinary, and possibly terrifying, is unfolding on the moon. What's perhaps most unsettling is how little we still understand about the moon despite decades of exploration. For all the missions we've launched and all the samples we've collected, the moon remains a world of mysteries. And now, with Chandrayaan-3's discoveries, those mysteries have only deepened.
As Kaku put it, the more we learn, the less we seem to know. The question now is, what happens next? ISRO has announced plans for follow-up missions to the lunar South Pole, but these are years away. In the meantime, other nations are eyeing the region with renewed interest. NASA's Artemis program, for example, aims to establish a permanent lunar base near the South Pole within the next decade. Will these future missions uncover more of the moon's secrets, or will they confirm our worst fears? Kaku's panic isn't just about the discoveries themselves, it's about the implications for humanity. If we're not alone in the universe, as these findings increasingly suggest, then everything changes. Our understanding of our place in the cosmos, our scientific priorities, and even our geopolitical strategies will need to be re-evaluated. As Kaku warned, the moon may not be the barren wasteland we thought it was.
And if that's true, we need to start asking some very big questions, questions we might not be ready to answer.
One thing is certain, our exploration of the moon has only just begun, and it's already reshaping our understanding of the universe. Please like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching my channel.